Hi guys, welcome back to class. Today we're going to focus on our lower back. The lower back is a very fragile area. It is something that we need to have be healthy in order to do all of our daily activities. And when the lower back is hurting, it can affect us throughout our sleep, throughout the morning, the day, and the evening. If you have a herniated disc or you're just feeling pain in your lower back or it's stiff and tight, I'm going to take you through a class to help you have some relief and feel better in your body. Let's get started lying on our back. So we'll begin with the knees bent and the hands on the hips. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths through your nose. Using our breath to calm down the nervous system, to relax the muscles. And then after the third breath, open your eyes. And now slowly lift your tailbone a little from the floor so your lower back presses into the ground. And then arch your back, press your tailbone down. Imagine like there was a Hershey's Kiss going to go into your lower back and you're going to be able to fit it under there. And then as you exhale, press your lower back into the floor and squish the chocolate. Inhale, arch your back, lower back lifts. Exhale, press your lower back into the floor. You may feel a little discomfort here, which is pretty normal. It's activating the area that is inflamed and maybe hurting you. Exhale, press your lower back down. Now keep your lower back like this. And then slowly, one vertebrae at a time, press into your feet. Lift all the way up to your upper back. And then slowly lower back down from the top to the bottom with control. Once you go all the way down, then we'll lift back up one more time. Inhale, roll up through your spine like a wave. Exhale, slowly lower down. Bring your right knee into your chest. Pause here. Lift your head and shoulders. Lower your head and shoulders back down. Cross your ankle over your thigh. And slide your hands through and grab the back of your leg here. Flex your right foot and lightly draw your leg closer towards you. When you feel a stretch, pause there. Take a couple deep breaths. Slowly bring your foot back down. Now keep your legs like this, and we're just going to roll to our left, onto your left hip bone. Take your right hand behind your head and slowly open up. This should feel super good and just a lot of relief to the lower back. Deepen your breath, breathe all the way into your lungs, fill them up. And let your breath move out of your lungs slowly through your nose. Lift back up to your left, uncross your leg. Use your left hand to assist yourself back to center. Readjust yourself. Stretch your legs out. Bring your hands behind your head. And slowly lift your head and shoulders. Reach your arms forward. Now, bend your knees. Pull both knees into your chest. Lower your head down. And slowly lift your butt and slowly bring your butt back down. So bend your elbows as you inhale. Exhale, let your lower back roll back down. Inhale, slowly bend your elbows. Exhale, slowly roll yourself back down. Perfect. Set your right foot down. Bring your left knee into your chest. You want to pull the knee towards your left pec, not necessarily your armpit or the middle of your chest, just straight down so it's in line with your femur bone and your hip bone. And we're trying to relax here. And by doing so, breathe slowly through your nose. Our breath is a tool to help us relax or pump ourselves up. The slower and deeper you breathe, the more you'll relax. Vice versa. Now we're going to cross the ankle over the thigh. Lift your foot from the ground, reach the back, hands to the back of the right leg, and just a very gentle stretch here. If you don't feel the stretch on your left buttock, I want you to imagine like your left foot is pushing towards your right, and then bend your elbows a little more. You only want to feel the stretch very lightly. The deeper you breathe, the more you'll feel the stretch. So we want to feel the stretch from our deep breath rather than our forceful movement. Bring the foot back down to the floor. We're going to roll to our right side. The foot comes to the ground. Left hand comes to the back of the head. And the left foot's flat on the floor. And slowly open back up here. Breathe down and full. Roll back to the right. Uncross the leg. Use your right hand to assist your legs back to center. Place your hands on the mat and slowly lift your hips. A lot of work when we're doing our work on our pains and injuries, it doesn't feel good. As simple as if you have a knee surgery and you're doing all your PT, it hurts to do the PT. And then after, over a long period of time, it gets better. Sometimes things hurt to heal them just as much as they did to injure them. Slowly bring the hips back down. Take your legs into tabletop. Bring your fingertips by your ears and move your face straight to the ceiling, firming your belly. We're just tightening up the core here, getting the blood to go into the belly before we have a stretch. Set the head down, bring the feet down, roll onto your belly, and coming into Sphinx pose, but we're going to do a very gentle one, meaning the elbows will be far forward, and depending on the injury on your back or the pain that you feel, it will very much so depend on how much you come up. You only want to come up to where you can feel it. Keep your butt relaxed. Slow, steady, deep breaths. Lower your head back down. One more time. Bring yourself up just a little bit more. Deep breaths to your nose. Good job. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Push up to your hands and knees. Child's pose. Take your knees wide, big toes together. And we're focusing on the lower back, the stretch, not the shoulders. Walk your hands forward. Anchor. So you're using your hands
to push your butt back towards your feet and then consciously soften and relax your lower back. Let all the muscles soften and release. Slow, deep breaths through your nose. Come up onto your hands. A few cat-cows. Very lightly inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, round your back slowly. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, round your spine. Last time. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Now come down to your butt. Cross your legs. Cross at the center of the center of the shins. Bring your hands behind your head. And slowly inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, micro bend to the right. Inhale, sit up tall. Micro bend to the left, very lightly. You can see I'm not moving too much. Inhale, sit up tall, lengthen. Exhale, stretch to the right. Inhale, sit up tall. So this is helping us with our posture and keeping the posture as we're moving through motion out of the alignment of being center. One more time to the right. Sit up tall. Inhale, back up to the left. Slowly come back up. Release your hands down. Change the cross of your legs. Take the back hand of the left hand to the outside of the right knee. Sit up tall, and twist. Take a couple deep breaths here, fully breathing in through the nose. Slow. And breathing out. One more time. Changing sides. Sit up tall. Bring the soles of the feet together. Open the feet up like a book. Lift the chest. First one, flat. Keep your back flat. Keep lifting your chest and moving forward rather than just straight down, rounding your back. From your lower back to the crown of your head, imagine like you're just getting longer and longer through the top of your head. Take a deep breath in. And then as you exhale, allow your spine to round down softly, gently. Inhale, lift back up. Now, take your right leg out to the side. Left leg goes behind you. You're going to stay on the right hip here, not roll to the center, and just slowly let your left hip start to anchor down towards this right heel. You should feel the stretch right in this dead center of your right butt cheek, not in your knee, right in the middle of your butt cheek. And breathe into the area. Release, moving to the other side. Knee comes to the middle, right leg goes back, left palm plants. We're all the way on our left side. We breathe in. And then as we breathe out, we take this right hip bone and start to pull it and reach it down towards the front heel here. And with each breath you take, it's an inhale. We're lengthening through our spine and softening down. Inhale, lengthen. That chest reaches forward. And then exhale, we release. Back to center. Now lie down on your back. Close your eyes. And for a couple minutes, sit here on your lay here on your own with your eyes closed, relaxing. And allow your nervous system and your body to be able to absorb all the practice. Release the movements, release all the things we've done. And notice how you feel throughout the rest of the day. If your back feels less stiff, less painful, and you just feel more centered. Because there's nothing worse than being in pain throughout the day, right? Thank you for practicing with me. I hope this helps your lower back. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to take these classes with me every time I share them, hit the notification bell. And also, you guys, if there's something that you would like me to direct towards you or focus on, I'd be more than happy to do that. You could put it in the comments, and I will put it into the list of classes that I'll be releasing over this year of 2025. Thank you so much. Namaste.